Hey guys, and happy Easter. So I know there's an egg shortage out there, here at least, and so if you don't have any eggs to paint, here is a great egg decorating alternative. So I'm gonna show you in a second how to make these egg melty bead perler beads, so stick around for that. So this is how to make an egg shape out of a square template. So you're gonna start off with 3 for your bottom row, 5 for your next row, 7 for your row on top of that row, another row of 7, more row of 7, a row of 5, another row of 5, a row of 3, and then 1 on top. And this is just a design I came up with, and I figured this out to do it on the square. I didn't have an egg-shaped template. Obviously, if you have an egg-shaped template, do that. But this worked well with the square. And so if you've worked with Melty beads before, you know you have to keep to the grid shape. So I thought this was good because it's fatter at the bottom and it gets smaller as it goes up to the point, like an egg. And these are just a couple of ideas I came up with to show you. This purple one, I just did a darker stripe of purple at the top and at the bottom. I tried to think of how I would actually paint eggs and how I've seen people paint eggs in usually polka dots or stripes. This one I did stripes and a couple of dots. And then I did a rainbow one. And I did it like it was like dripping. These were really simple to make, really fun to make, pretty easy. I think a lot of people, if you have melty beads, you could do this really easily. Once you figure out the first one, you just copy all the other ones. And so then I ironed it, and I just waited in the spots for a couple of seconds, kept checking it. Once they were mostly stuck together, I flipped it over and took it off of the template, and then once they were stuck together a little bit better, I did them individually. So I hope you liked this quick little easy tutorial video, and if you did, give it a like, subscribe if you feel like it, and if you like Melty Bead videos, let me know and I'll do more of them. I hope you guys try these ones out because they're really fun, really simple, really easy, and yeah. So until next time, bye!